Spend my 5 to 9 with me. Once the workday ends, I try to create a clear break between work and the rest of my night. Closing my laptop is my signal that the day is done. Whatever didn't get finished can wait until tomorrow. I like to spend a few minutes resetting my space because it just makes a difference mentally when I come downstairs the next day. Everything doesn't need to be perfect. I just like to have it feel calm again. The kitchen is where I focus next. It's one of those things I always appreciate in the morning, even when I don't feel like doing it at night. Dinner tonight was DoorDash. Nothing worth showing, but it got the job done. Actually, my meal was quite nasty, so that's why I didn't want to show you guys. This was actually right before a big storm, so I had ordered some last minute groceries so that I could have them at the house. But shortly after, my fridge completely broke. Once I'm upstairs and in my pajamas, my body finally starts to relax. That's when the day really slows down. My nighttime routine is simple and easy. I don't even really have a strong skincare routine, but I like to use these quiet moments to catch my breath and let my mind settle. I try to treat my evenings like a form of self-care and not just another item for the checklist. But honestly, this night I was so beyond ready to get in bed. If you enjoy calm, realistic routines like this, feel free to subscribe. I'm glad you're here, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.